course, grabe ka katilig, grabe tong collab mo no, with TikTok. Pero how does it feel that TikTok brand is pushing this kind of advocacy and platform for every plus size woman, especially nowadays, di ba?
Of course, we are very thankful because before, hindi naman ganito yung platform. Ay, like, hindi kami masyadong welcome sa mga platforms. Ang laging nagva-viral, sumisikat, is mapapayat, mga petite. So, for the very first time in our lives, or siguro kasi nasabayan din namin yung pandemic wherein parang yung naging mindset ng lahat is like, you do you. Gawin mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin. You only live once. And nabigyan kami ng platform. And at the same time, siguro, priority din kami ng platform, yung mga plus size women. So, nabuboost kami, nilalabas talaga kami sa FYP. So, ayun, we are very, very thankful for TikTok for giving us this platform.
How will this kind of activity boost your confidence, not just as a TikTok content creator, but as a woman yourself?
Oh my God, grabe. Binago talaga ng TikTok yung life ko. Before, I was just like wearing things na hindi ko naman talaga gusto just because wala kaming options, wala kaming choice. Kung ano lang yung available, yun yung ipipilit namin sa katawan namin. But now, because of TikTok, we have the option na magsuot ng mga bagay na gusto namin. Pwede na kami magpakita ng balat. We can also be pretty. Because dati, mataba is equals to pangit. But now, mataba is equals to pretty. Like,
Correct.
mataba is equals to any woman in this world.
Oo. And siguro last, ang ganda nung timing na this was launched talagang during the International Women's Month, no?
Yeah.
Talaga, ang ganda lang nung timing, di ba? Not just for plus size girls, but for every girl, di
Yes.
ba?
I think we are very, again, sobrang OA, pero very thankful talaga kami because it's the first time na plus size women are highlighted on Women's Month. It's always like women are petite, sexy, pretty, ganyan. But today we are celebrated not only the plus size community, but anyone, like any shapes, any sizes, any colors, everyone, every woman is celebrated.